Hey guys, Sean here, Beige HBK from D Sweet Deals. In today's video, we are going to go over our process for preparing our shoes for resale. So if it's your first time here, go ahead and smash that like button and give us a thumbs up, and make sure you stick with us to the end for some bonus tips on how to speed up the cleaning process for your shoes. So let's go. When it comes to cleaning up our shoes for resale, we like to stick with shoes that need minimal cleaning, just need a little TLC, and it depends where you're sourcing them from. Facebook Marketplace, thrift store, garage sales, or retail stores to flip, which shouldn't need any cleaning at all. The first tool we use are a set of drill brushes. They connect to any drill, and the bristles are not too hard to do any damage to the shoe. We use the small and large brush depending on the shoe size to scrub the bottom of the bottom and the side of the shoe. The oval brush we use for mainly dusting off the shoe. Also a small toothbrush for the hard to reach spots. It's always good to have a shoe shine kit for your leather shoes to restore them. The kit comes with a shine brush, a cloth, the brush to apply the polish, and also black and brown polish for a quick shine. You can use liquid polish mainly on boots. It's always good to have a fabric shaver for your pre-owned sneakers to clean the inside of the shoe by the heels where the lint builds up. And to bring some value into the sneakers, you can also change the laces with some new ones. For suede shoes, we use the soft suede brush and also a eraser to rub out the nicks. So I'm going to clean up these pair of Meru mules, and as you can see, they're in decent condition. Bonus tip, to remove the ink running on the bottom of your shoe, we can use some Goo Gone to erase the ink. Alright, I'm going to clean these up and show you the finished result. So this is the finished result of the cleanup process of our shoes. Not too bad. And as promised, if you want to cut your cleaning process in half the time, you can use Crep Protect Shoe Cleaning Kit. This product works wonders in a short time, and I will probably do a more detailed video of this product in another video. But you can find it on Amazon, and I'll leave a link below for that. And we are no way affiliated or receiving a commission to promote this product. Alright guys, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up and help us rank higher in YouTube. Until next time, this is Sean, Beijing HBK.